Hi friends, welcome. Today I will show how to remove hard water spots from the sink area. You need only one important item to take the salt off the countertop, that is metal scrubber. Only with metal scrubber you can take the salt off. The green scrubber doesn't work. Now I am going to show how to take the salt off in a small area. Just wet the metal scrubber and start scrubbing. Now I'm going to wipe it off with a tissue paper. You can see the salt in the tissue paper. Now it's drying. You can see the visible difference. If the stains are too tough, either you can use a dishwashing liquid or a dishwashing soap to scrub that area. Please don't use a lemon or vinegar on granite countertop or marble. It will affect the surface and it will become rough on long run. If the stains are too tough, you should scrub at least 2 to 3 times to get the stains off. If it is too old stains, yes, you need more scrubbing. Soap is not required, only metal scrub is enough to take the salt off. Now I'm going to scrub the full area. Please use hand gloves before doing it. I'm using a plastic wrap and I'm going to scrub the full sink area. Every day after you finish the work in the sink area, wipe the countertop with a towel and keep it dry so that the salt won't get deposited. One more tip is to place that cotton towel below the utensils basket so that the towel will absorb the water, leaving the countertop dry. Here is the final result. The countertop has been washed and dried. You can see the visible difference in before and after pictures. Thanks for watching.